Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through settings on Redmi 14R. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then click on About Phone, and now you have to scroll down. Then click on Factory Reset and click on Erase All Data, and then click on Factory Reset. Now you have to wait for 10 seconds. And then click Next. Now you have to wait for 10 seconds again. And as you can see, my phone is now back to its default settings and I have to do phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.